If you're like many gardeners, the excitement of planting summer crops can lead to a bit of a rush. You've got your seeds, your soil's ready, and you're itching to get growing. But hold on just a minute. Timing is everything when it comes to planting summer crops. Get it right, and you'll be enjoying a bountiful harvest in no time. Get it wrong, and you might end up with damaged or even dead plants. Planting summer crops too early is a common mistake that can lead to disaster. Frost can still occur even in late spring, and if you're not careful, it can wipe out your entire crop. It's not just frost either. Planting too early can also lead to stunted growth. When soil temperatures are too low, seeds can germinate slowly or unevenly, which can affect the entire growing season. And then there's the risk of crop failure. If you're planting warm season crops like tomatoes or peppers too early, they might not thrive in cooler temperatures. This can lead to weak, spindly plants that are more susceptible to disease. So, how do you know when it's safe to plant your summer crops? One key indicator is soil temperature. Different crops have different temperature requirements, but generally, you want the soil to be at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit for most summer crops. You should also keep an eye on the last frost date for your area. This is the date when it's likely that the last frost of the season will occur. For many gardeners, this date is a key milestone for planting summer crops. Some crops have specific requirements too. For example, tomatoes and peppers love warm weather, but they can be sensitive to frost. On the other hand, crops like okra and southern peas are a bit more heat tolerant. The best time to plant summer crops safely is often a bit later than you might think. A good rule of thumb is to wait until about 2 weeks after the last frost date for your area. This allows the soil to warm up and the risk of frost to decrease. Another simple trick to remember is to plant when the daytime temperatures are consistently above 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that the soil is warm and the air temperature is suitable for most summer crops. You can also use a soil thermometer to check the temperature of your soil. This can give you a more accurate reading, especially if you're unsure. Lastly, consider using a planting calendar or app to help you determine the best planting times for your specific area. In summary, timing is crucial when it comes to planting summer crops. Waiting until the soil has warmed up and the risk of frost has decreased can make all the difference between a successful harvest and a disappointing one. By keeping an eye on soil temperature, last frost dates, and specific crop requirements, you can ensure that your summer crops get off to a strong start. If you've got your own tips for planting summer crops, share them with us in the comments below. And if you want more gardening advice and tips, be sure to subscribe to the Wormy Garden for regular updates.